Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can change the name of your workspace in the Slack application really quickly, be it on your mobile device or on your desktop. So drop a like and now let us get started. Alright, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to log into my Slack account through my Windows computer. So what you want to do, guys, is simply log into your account. And here in the top left corner of your display, once you're logged in, you will see a list of all workspaces you have joined so far. So I'm going to edit and customize that workspace here. So select your workspace from that list with your left mouse. And what you want to do in the next step is simply click on that arrow down icon here next to your workspace's name. Click on your workspace name below with your left mouse, and that is going to redirect you to that window here, edit workspace details. So guys, here you may add a new name to your workspace. Simply delete the previous name and enter your new name. Workspace names can contain up to 50 characters. Bear that in mind, guys. You may also assign a custom URL below if you want. And that's basically it, guys. Once you're ready, simply click on Save here in the bottom right corner to apply these changes. And these changes are going to be applied instantaneously so that you may use your new workspace and name from now on. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.